this
We were
alive.
34 people at our first meeting. But look at God today. Look at what God is doing. Today we've got thousands and thousands of people here today. Look at what God is doing. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nissi. Die Here is die Here. Die Here was die Here gister. Die Here is die Here vandag. Die Here is die Here môre. I want to welcome all of you that's here today. And I want to say to you, they tried every trick in the book for you to not be here today. But ons het gelandela in die Hoofskap. Ons het gelandela in die Hoofskap. I want to congratulate the people that cycle all the way from the Western Cape to be here today. They didn't take a bus. They jumped on bicycles and they are here today. Can we give them a hand of applause? Patriots. Patriots, I would also like to apologize for cutting the list of people that should travel here. We cut the list by half because your safety is more important than optics for me. Your safety comes first. If I can protect you, how will the Lord protect me?
And let this alive.